Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic here, back again with the 2000 Honda Civic. What we're going to do today is we're going to try to program a new key fob. Here's the old one. It's in, tough shape. It's been broke. So we're going to try and do the new one from Amazon. So we went to www.remotes.com, downloaded the instructions, and we're going to try it. So I read through them and collect all the remotes. We got that. Must program all existing and new remotes. You wish the vehicle at the time. You have 5 seconds to complete each step. If it takes longer than 5 seconds, you can redo it. First is enter the vehicle and close all doors. Then it says repeat the following steps A, B, C 3 times. Use the same remote for each of the steps. An unprogrammed remote can be used. I'm actually going to use the programmed one, the old one, and see if we can do this. So ABC is turn the ignition on. Press the lock button on the remote you are programming. Turn it off. You got to do that 3 times. Then turn the ignition back on. Press the lock button. It'll go into programming mode. Press the lock button again. Get the other remote and press the lock button on that. Okay, did you get all that? Well, I'm not sure I did, but we're gonna give her a whirl. So we're gonna go on. Press the lock 1, 2, 3, off, back on, lock for programming, lock, hit the old one, shut it off, pull the key, open the door up, close the door, try the new one, lock, unlock, try the old one, lock, unlock. So there you have it. After programming them, you got to shut it off, and I opened the door and closed it, and they both work. So that's programming the keys on a 2000 Honda Civic.